Catherine Wambugu na ũrĩa nĩ mũhũri wa biacara na mũkũria wa matunda wĩ gatũ gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ, nĩ arĩkĩtie gũkuruhanio na mũtino mũru wa barabara, na mũtino ũcio wakorwo ũgĩcũngĩrĩria arata ake erĩ na arĩa makoragwo makĩrutithania wĩra nake gũte mĩoyo yao. Catherine athiĩte na mbere gũtarĩria ũhoro ũyũ, kũrĩa aronekana ena ndumo nyingĩ ũthiũ wake kumana na maũndũ marĩa kana ngero ĩyo aragĩkorwo agĩcemania nayo. Andĩkĩte na kuga, "Hey good people, I just want to update you that I got an accident yesterday night along Nyeri Nyahururu highway. I'm currently hospitalized, but fortunate enough I am okay. Although I lost two good friends who are staffs of Wambugu Apples." Na agagĩkorwo akiuga, "Teresia Mũmbi Mwaniki and Domi, keep me in your thoughts and prayers." Ĩyo nĩ ndũmĩrĩri ya Catherine akiuga nĩ arakorirwo akĩ-lose two friends na arĩa magĩkoragwo makĩrutithania wĩra nake kambuni-inĩ ĩyo, na nĩ akorwo akĩaria na kuga,
"As I do this video, I cannot be able to type. I cannot be able to type. Rest in peace, my colleague. I know most of you have prayed. Some of you have texted on the Facebook. Some of you have visited me. Some of you have called. I am fine. I am fine. And don't be scared of my face. This is a scar that God is able to do exceedingly above all. And we have no other reason to ask God why. I have asked God, "Kwa nini? Why?" He has not answered me. I don't know what I can say, but in everything, we praise God. I didn't know I have touched so many lives. Sometimes you do a thing you don't know. I just appreciate God for this far. I am well. Thank you for the prayers that you did. I'm recovering well. And to my sister, Terry, you had to wait for this. And my driver, Dominic, we had a very good day in the farm. And then we went to my toast place, Dilango's place. I struggled to open the door at the passenger side. I managed to move out. And I started stopping the cars. One of the cars didn't stop because I was looking for help. And I was shouting, "Help, come and pick my colleagues." I thought you're also stuck inside. So one driver stopped and picked me. I told him, "Please, there are some more people in the car." And he said, "Because you're bleeding, first get to the car. And then I'll look for them." He didn't tell me the truth. He told me that he has left his brother to pick the rest. But I'll let God be praised in this, because I had not seen the impact until today that I saw the impact of the car. It is well. It is well. I thank you, everybody. I saw your messages. I lost all my phones, but they were found yesterday. What can I tell God? It's a chance that you've given me to serve you more and more. To the family of Terry and Dominic, I am so sorry. I am so sorry. I am so sorry. To the family, please take my condolences. It's painful to bury a friend, my personal assistant, my driver. We loved each other. God, please do I tell those kids? I'm sorry.